already.
Is that ready? Here we go.
P, pop, pop.
P, P is for pear. Pear.
Look at these pears. They're growing on trees.
Yeah, like a lot of fruit grows on trees.
That's my favorite fruit. There's someone washing a pear.
Yeah, because you always have to wash your fruit before you eat it, don't you?
Yeah.
And you can make all sorts of things with pear. You can make pear pie and you can make yummy pear desserts.
And you can make pear smoothie.
You can. What are they doing?
They're eating a pear.
Looks like they're enjoying the pear. This is a chef.
He's cutting a pear.
Yeah, I think he's making a dessert with it. What's that?
Pear.
And what color is this pear?
Red.
Yeah, red.
And
You
yellow.
you can also get green pears and yellow pears. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Pear is one of your favorite, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you want to try a little bit of pear?
Yeah.
Tasty. Okay, let's add that. In it goes.
P, pop, pop. P is for pear. Pop, pop, pear.
P is for piano. Piano.
And here's a girl playing an upright piano.
Oh, my piano!
This looks like a lady, a person playing a piano is called a pianist.
Pin.
It looks like she's playing a baby grand piano.
Yeah.
And this looks like a grand piano.
Grand piano!
An old one, look at that.
Oh, grand piano.
Well, these are called hammers. They hit the strings and that's how we make the noise. You see that? That's how the piano makes the noise. And this is an electric piano. So there's different types of pianos. Many different types.
The grannies on the bus say all they know. P, pop, pop. P is for piano. Pop, pop, piano.
P is for painter. Painter.
This is a wall painter.
Yes, he was using a roller. What's he doing, Ollie?
He's putting the white paint in there. He's painting the wall.
He's using a roller. That's called a roller.
Yeah. Painting.
This one is using a spray gun. Look at that.
Why?
Because it gets a nice even coat very quickly, and he's got a mask and protective clothing on, you see?
Why?
To stop the spray getting into his mouth. What is he doing? He's spraying a car.
Yeah, to make it nice and clean. This one is painting a car blue.
Yeah. And here's a different type of painter. This is an artist who's a painter, and they're painting using a palette to mix the paint, you see? He's using a palette to mix the paint. And now she's going to paint on a canvas. And here's a lady painting a picture of flowers, it looks like, in a meadow. You see how she puts the paint on and rubs it with her finger a little bit? This is a different kind of painter. A painter who's an artist. Didn't we go to see an artist?
His name is Colette.
That's right, Colette's her name. This is a painter doing another type of painting. That's called abstract. It doesn't look like anything.
And she's making funny pictures. P, pop, pop. P is for painter. Pop, pop, painter.
P is for police car. Police car.
P, pop, pop, police car. This is a police car.
Yeah, it blocked the road for some reason. Maybe there was an accident.
This one's catching the bad guys.
Yeah, they're going through the traffic with the sirens.
And there's a police SUV to stop the bad guys. There's a police car there and those who are police fans. Look, he's putting handcuffs around the bad guys. P is for police car. Police car.